Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS tutorial for beginners to advanced. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS tables. The look of HTML table can be greatly improved with CSS. If you are creating a table without adding some properties from CSS, it's not going to look so nice enough. So that's why we used to add some CSS to our tables so everything can look more reasonable and look more neat. For instance, the table you are seeing at the front of me right here, as you can see, we are having this green color, gray color, white color. Even we are not having any border inside it right now. As you can see, everything is looking nice. We are just having something cool like this, and the font size, everything is nice. And all this is we are doing all this with the help of CSS. If there is no any CSS adding to this, it can be somehow difficult to have some nice looking table. That's why we need to use table. So in our next topic, we are going to be killing this in deep details. So I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. Peace and love. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.